How to sign into American Express saving account. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with in your laptop or desktop. And in the search URL, type an American Express saving account or American Express savings login. After that, navigate to this first link on your interface. Now, you will be directly taken into login portal. So first of all, you have to enter your user ID associated with your account. Make sure you type in your correct ID. Under that, you have to enter your password, and here also make sure you type in your correct password. If you want to view your password, there is a show button, click on it and that will show your password here. Under that, there is an account type. Click on this drop down menu. From here, click on this cards and banking. Now, if you want to save in your login information, click on this checkbox that says remember me. After you enter your user ID and your password, all you have to do is click on this login button to sign into your American Express saving account. In case you forgot your ID or password, there is a link provided to recover your ID or password. Click on it and that will help you out to recover your account. And there are more options you can get to create new online account, confirm your card receipt, or to visit the security center. Now, after you enter your login information, click on login button and with that you will be logged into your account. And that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.